Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Tesla Cybertruck. The Cybertruck's production represents a significant departure from traditional automotive manufacturing. Its distinctive design and robust construction are achieved through a revolutionary process. We will explore the key elements that contribute to its unique build, from its specialized materials to its advanced assembly techniques. This approach ensures both exceptional strength and efficiency in production, setting a new standard for vehicle manufacturing. The foundation of the Cybertruck's strength lies in its ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel. This proprietary alloy is exceptionally durable, offering superior resistance to dents, damage, and corrosion. Unlike conventional vehicles, the Cybertruck does not require a separate paint shop, as the steel itself forms the exterior finish. This innovative material choice simplifies the manufacturing process while enhancing the vehicle's longevity and rugged appeal. The Cybertruck's unique exoskeleton design means its exterior shell is the primary structural element, not just a body panel. This robust outer layer provides immense strength and protection. Furthermore, the vehicle incorporates a structural battery pack, where the battery cells are an integral part of the chassis. This integration significantly increases torsional rigidity and frees up valuable interior volume, contributing to both safety and efficiency. A cornerstone of the Cybertruck's efficient production is the use of gigacastings. These massive, single-piece aluminum castings form large sections of the vehicle's underbody, drastically reducing the number of individual components. This innovative approach simplifies the assembly line, requiring fewer robots and less time to construct the frame. The result is a more robust vehicle with fewer joints and a much faster manufacturing cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.